3 years ago, I've been making videos on my old channel. Back in 2015, I thought those videos were good. But as it turned out, in 2018, I was wrong. I found most of my videos on my old channel to be cringy. Not good content showed up in the past. I've been criticized for how bad the video was, or how I'm not doing good on my channel. Even my friends on Discord agrees that my videos are cringy back in 2015 and 2016. But then, it all changed when a miracle happened, when I created my new channel, and it was called Andrew Silverman's second channel. I have renamed it to Andrew Silverman 1 because that's my username for Barney errors. And then I started creating Barney errors, and the first 4 was okay and a little bit cringy, but then, as I keep going on and on, I keep getting better, and this is what happens now. But as we continue and move on, we will never forget how I changed history and how cringy my channel is. And I hope that I can remember that the first time I've been on YouTube, I've done my worst. But as I move on, I continue to my best.
And remember, as you continue to move up, you'll get better at everything, your achievements and your goals. This is an inspirational speech, and this is Andrew Silverman 1, signing out.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the California Police Department. Andrew Silverman's old videos of 2015 has been spotted on 386 randomly selected televisions, which has been taken over channels to play random videos once in a while. It has been spotted that those videos were disturbingly edited, loud, and cringy. If you watch those videos, the side effects are cringe, ear rape, shaking, and or disturbed. 74 of those reported that they had the following side effects. Please turn off all your devices, televisions, and do not use any other electronics, except a radio to keep track of information of this situation. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation.
Hello, this is Andrew Silverman, and I'm going to show you how to wash a balloon. Turn the water on. Make sure the balloon has water everywhere. Now turn it off and spill some water and
This message is being transmitted at the request of the California Police Department. Andrew Silverman's old videos of 2015 has been spotted on 634 more televisions this time. It has more side effects, such as headaches, being jump-scared, and rage. 249 of those victims have also reported that the video was about washing a balloon. Like seriously, who would even make a video about how to wash a balloon? But we shouldn't laugh right now as this is serious. I'll tell you again, please turn off all your devices, televisions, and do not use any other electronics, except a radio to keep track of information of this situation. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation.
はもう死んでいる。何？
This message is being transmitted at the request of the California Police Department, YouTube headquarters, and the U.S. government. Andrew Silverman's videos of 2015 has gotten worse. A video that was shown on 2049 channels was two robots fighting each other. It believes to be Wall-E versus a robot. But when the video shows Wall-E shooting lasers to a robot, after saying the message, Ami Wamao Shindru, one person immediately died after the video ended. One person was injured after also watching the end of the video. It is now severely dangerous to be on devices and watch television. Immediately turn off your devices and televisions, and unplug every device and television in your house. The only device you can use is a radio to keep track of the situation. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation.
Haha! I made a fake emergency alert system. Now people will be fooled.
This is the police department. Get outside immediately.
No. I am sorry for taking over the channels and making a fake EAS.
Yes, you did make a fake EAS and scared lots of people. You are under arrest for making this crime. Now get in the back of the car. We will go to court to see if you're innocent or guilty.
Okay. Who is this? Oh, it's a random number. I think I'm gonna call it. Hello, who is this?
Hello, Andrew. It's me, Barney. I made a fake EAS about your old channel and now I landed in prison. Did you see the EAS? Because I scared everyone in California and in parts of the US. What did you think about it?
Wait, this is you all along? Barney! How dare you make a fake EAS about my old channel? You know I didn't give you permission about that. That's it. I am severely mad at you right now. You know what? We're not friends, and I'm gonna talk to you after you get out of prison. Now, enjoy prison, idiot.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the California Police Department, YouTube headquarters, and the U.S. government. We found out that this emergency alert system was actually not real, because a suspect took over the EAS and made a prank about Andrew Silverman's old channel invading televisions. Good news is that this was all not real. It was just a prank, and everything is fine. No one was actually injured or killed, and we are sorry for what happened to the EAS. You can plug in your devices and televisions, and turn them on, because Andrew Silverman's old channel was not invading televisions after all. Andrew Silverman's old channel was actually innocent, and none of this happened in real life. The suspect who pulled this prank was Barney. He has now been guilty in court, and sentenced to prison for 2 weeks. Also, we want to thank you for taking action, even though this was all fake. You may now return to your normal programming. We hope this doesn't happen again, and we will all make sure it's prevented from happening. Thank you for tuning in, and checking on the emergency alert system. Goodbye for now, and this is Emergency Alert System, signing off.
go.